now that we have the developer tab in Excel, we want to talk about where we actually write our VBA code. And we write our code in what's called the Visual Basic Editor. And we can get to that editor two ways: by clicking on this icon that I have highlighted that says Visual Basic underneath this icon, or we can press Alt F11 on our keyboard. So here is what happens when I press on the icon. The editor pops up, and I'm just going to close it real quick because I want to show you I can get to that by not clicking on it. And right now I'm going to press Alt F11 on my keyboard, and it pops up again. So this is the editor. There's two ways to get to it. You can press Alt F11, or you can click on this icon. Okay, so now that we know how to get to the editor, let's take a look at it real quickly. Here's the editor, and all I want to do now is close a bunch of these windows. So the editor is composed of windows, and you can close the window. So here's what's called the project window. You might have different windows on your editor. So what I want to do is start with a blank editor. So to do that, whatever windows you have open, click on the X's. So here's an X in the upper right hand corner of a window. I click it, the project window went away, and here's another window. But if I go over here to the right, there's an X here that I can click, and now I close that window. And now I also want to get rid of these toolbars. So I want to start with a blank editor and a blank toolbar. So I'll right click on the toolbar and I'm just going to uncheck by clicking this debug here. And that debug toolbar went away. And then if I right click again on the toolbar, the standard toolbar is going to go away. So this is what I wanted to get to, a blank editor, because now we all should be on the same page. We're all starting from a blank editor where we can begin to talk about what this editor is and how do we write code and all this stuff. So this is where this video is going to end. In the next video, we're going to talk about one of those windows that we just closed.